In today's video, I will teach you how to blur the background of an image using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. Now, make sure to select the image layer on the Layers panel. In the Tools panel, at the left side of the editor, open the Effects tab and scroll down. Under the Basic Effects, select Soften. You can now adjust the amount of blur in the softness slider. You can also add a fade effect on your image, which will give you that glowy effect. But as you can see, this will blur the entire image. To only apply the effect to the background of the subject, simply select the paintbrush icon. This will open up another tab of tools that you can use to either erase or add more blur into the image. To erase the blur effect from the subject, make sure to select the Eraser tool. Under the Erase tab, you can change the shape of your eraser as well as the size, hardness, strength, brush rotation, and spacing. Once you're satisfied with the eraser settings, you can now erase the blur effect from your subject. If there are areas where you would like to reapply the blur effect, simply switch to the Brush tab right next to the Eraser tab. Like the Eraser tool, you also have the option to change the shape of your brush as well as its size, hardness, strength, brush rotation, and spacing. But to make things easier, you can simply paint the blur effect on your subject. Then enable the reverse effect. You can also see the before and after of the image by clicking and holding the before and after button at the bottom panel of the editor. Once you're satisfied with it, you can now click Apply, and you can now download it to your computer or share it to your social media accounts. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on a notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new tutorials.